Welcome back to KNOWA. Today we're making oatmeal. The ingredients I'll use for today's recipe is oatmeal, a banana, milk, and strawberries. So firstly, we have to measure half a cup of oatmeal, and this is a full cup, so I'll just pour it up halfway. And then get your bowl and pour it in. Then you have to get your milk. And pour half cup. Into the bowl. And if you want it more watery, then you can add more milk. If you want it less watery, then you can add less milk. I'm going to add a little bit more milk. And that's done. And now you pop this into the microwave. And then you microwave it for a minute. Okay, now you get your banana and your chopping board or plate and your knife and peel it open. And chop it. And then get your strawberries and get 2 of them. And wash them. Then chop off the green bit. And if you want, you can give it to your dog. Now I have to wash my hands. And then you chop up one of your strawberries into slices and get the other one and chop it into quarters. Then you can place the fruit on your oatmeal in any order or way that you like. I usually like stacking the banana in like a sort of snake position, an S position. And we got new honey, so it's a bit hard to open. Yep, I got it. And get a knife and get some of that honey and twirl it around, and then just let it drip onto the fruit like that. And any extra honey you can you can wipe it on the edge of the bowl and it will eventually drip into it, and then you're done. And get a spoon first, actually. Then you're done.
Can you lift them up? Okay. More. Okay.
And you can enjoy. Delicious. And thank you for watching.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7，我们在一起。1、2、3、4、5、6、7，快乐在一起。1、2、3、4、5、6、7，我们在一起。
功课要什么
1、2、3、4、5、6、7，快乐在一起。
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. 喜欢我们请订阅哦，那我也下次